like environment preservation, environment को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कदम आगे बढ़ाना, and definitely women empowerment. और Miss Divine Beauty Pageant जो है, that is a step in this direction of encouraging and empowering our today's women so that they can become the future of our tomorrow. So thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. पूरे world में there are 4 main pageants that are there. One is Miss World, सभी जानते हैं, है कि नहीं?
पकड़ नहीं रहा यार।
हाँ, I'm sure ladies जरूर जानती हैं। Main beauty pageants हैं जो वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा अर्थ, the one title is Miss Earth and the second title is Miss International. और उसी के विनर्स चूज करने के लिए आज हम यहाँ पे हैं। एंड जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, इस इवनिंग को और ज्यादा ग्लैमरस और ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए अब धीरे धीरे हम लोग बुलाना शुरू करेंगे अपने फाइनलिस्ट्स को, अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स को। बट प्लीज आप सभी से मेरी तहे दिल से रिक्वेस्ट है, जितनी पेशेंस आप लोगों ने यहाँ दिखाई है उतनी ही ज्यादा एनकरेजमेंट दिखाइए। तालियों की गूंज में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए। थैंक यू। A huge round of applause for last year's winner, Miss Priyan Sen, Miss Earth India 2023. And it is so amazing to have you here with us tonight. I would like you to say a few words about your experience with the Divine Beauty Pageant and your journey towards the Miss Earth pageant that you participated in.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I stand before you all, hard to believe that my journey as Miss Earth India 2023 has come to an end. My journey has one of theme of profound growth, incredible challenges and unforgettable memories. When I first took on this role of Miss Earth India, I knew my path will be full of possibilities and responsibilities. Every interactive session, every event, and every initiative that we undertook was not just a part of my duty, but it was a way to connect to people, to stand for our environment, and to leave behind a remarkable legacy. To my mother, मम्मी, आपने मुझे हमेशा सिखाया है कि माँ और मातृभूमि से बढ़ के कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि मैंने आप दोनों को मुझ पे गर्व महसूस करवाया। To my brother, I love you so much and I made you proud. To Divine India, Deepak sir and Nimisha ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to wear the sash of India and represent my country. I am very proud to announce that I was able to bring back the placement of top 20 after a drought of 13 years. It was our collective effort and I would love to give credits to you all. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. I am really grateful. To all my mentors, thank you so much for planting and nourishing the seedling which has now emerged as a beautiful tree. I promise to spread my branches and take under my shade all of those people who are in need and are standing in the scorching heat. And for the last time, Priyan Sen, your Miss Earth India. Thank you.
Journey with the Divine Beauty pageant and as Miss India International, what was your experience?
International India 2023. As I said, to pass my crown to my successor, I want you all to take you through my journey. So it all started 3 years back when I cleared my CA final exams. Hailing from the city where education and women in education cannot go hand in hand and they were forced to get married in early ages. I was lucky enough to step out of my town and complete my education as I want. But even after getting the degree, I used to feel that there is something missing and I do not feel accomplished because that small Praveena who saw child marriages and girls are not getting education really wanted to do something for them. She really wanted to do something for India. And as a pageant fan, whenever I used to get time in between my studies, I used to watch pageant queens, how they walk, how they talk, and rather most importantly, how they represent India at international platform. So that's when I decided that I'll use my passion to represent my country at international platform. But the story doesn't end here. Coming from the conservative family, even thinking about pageantry is itself a crazy idea. But as I promised myself, as I promised my younger self rather, I gave the auditions of Miss Divine Beauty. I selected as finalist and I came for Miss Divine Beauty without letting my family to know about it. I know it's crazy. I remember how my friends and my sister covered me up every time when my family used to call me and asked about where's Praveena. But I knew and I always believed that you should never settle in your life. And if you will put your heart and soul into something, you will definitely achieve that thing. And that's how your Miss International India 2023 has been crowned on 26th August 2023. But this couldn't have been possible without few people in my life. Firstly, my sister, my family. Thank you so much for understanding my dreams and supporting me in this journey. I know you have fought a lot with our community and allowed me to do this. I want to thank my mentors at Miss Divine Beauty. Thank you so much Deepak sir and Nimisha ma'am for giving me this opportunity. And lastly, all the pageant pages. Thank you so much for supporting me unconditionally throughout my journey. And last, to my successor, remember that you will carry the hopes and dreams of so many Indians with you.
Let us call upon stage one by one all the finalists of Miss Divine Beauty 2024. Are you all ready? Yes. Only women are ready. Men are not that ready, is it? Requesting you, they need all the encouragement and love that they can get. After hearing that, I am feeling great too. Now I would like you to see, your journey and your experiences till now.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Chandrasekhar Patwari, a humanities graduate from Assam. Well, this journey has been incredible for me. Representing myself on an international stage has been a dream for me, and Miss Divine Beauty has given me the chance to come out and speak for myself, to have that voice and to be the best version that I can be. And as you have asked, my inspiration, I want to represent India gracefully on an international stage. And with that, I'm hoping that all of you have a great evening. Thank you.
Currently living in Mumbai. I am 23 years old and I have done English honors from Delhi University. Currently, I am doing journalism from Mumbai. I am an actor and model. Apart from that, I am so much passionate about dancing. Dancing is just not the pastime for me, and I just love being in nature. Nature eliminates all the stress. Thank you so much.
That was such a happy message, यार. आपकी शक्ल देख के तो मुझे ही बहुत खुश फील हो रहा है. I'm sure everyone is feeling the same, isn't it? Yes? All right then. Thank you so much, Dipali. That is Miss Dipali Arora for you, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm 23 years old and I'm from the beautiful city of Lakes, Bhopal. Currently, I'm working as a data scientist alongside with my studies in Bachelor's of Science. Apart from studies, I have immense interest in dancing, acting and photography, and I'm also a sports enthusiast. I have a gold medal in karate as well as many medals in long jump, shot put and a cross-country race. Thank you.
on that note, now I would request you to please say a few words about yourself.
First of all, good evening everybody. I am Tejasvi Johri. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing my law in 4th year. I was born in Patna, Bihar and currently I'm residing in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Apart from that, I'm doing freelance modeling and acting for the past 1 year. And my few hobbies include singing, dancing and playing chess. And Miss Divine Beauty has given me this beautiful platform and this moment I'll cherish for my life. Thank you so much.
A huge round of applause for Miss Tejasvi Johri, ladies and gentlemen. I would request you to complete your walk, Tejasvi. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very grateful.
You are? Alright, that's a good way to, start your evening. And
I'm Vaishnavi Vanala, a 22-year-old medical student from Andhra Pradesh. I'm an athlete, a trained dancer and a self-taught chef. Born in a traditional Telugu family, I was exposed to rich cultural heritage that taught me the importance of education, discipline and respect for traditions. But it also came with conservative values that restrict dreamers like me while choosing unconventional careers. I continue to push past it, thanks to my supportive parents, but there are many girls who can't. Through this platform, I want to empower every young girl and remind them how powerful their dreams are. And if they chase it with dedication, perseverance, there are no limits to what one can achieve. Thank you.
thank you so much, Vaishnavi girl. What are your dreams and aspirations if you win the crown?
They say the future belongs to the one who believes in the beauty of the dreams. Here stands the girl who believed in hers. Namaste. I am Varshini, a 25-year-old doctor from the culturally rich state of Tamil Nadu, embarked on a journey dedicated towards healing and saving lives. I was born and raised in the mystical town of Tiruvannamalai, where great saints like Ramana Maharishi once lived. I embraced spirituality at a very tender age. I am a trained Bharatanatyam dancer and my passion extends to rifle sports, badminton, horse riding, yoga and meditation. I am an international award winner and honored as the Youth Icon of the Year 2024 for my works with the children battling with cancer. They say, Darbo Rakshati Rakshata, that means righteousness protects those who protect him. I want to elevate and leverage this wonderful Miss Divine Beauty platform to highlight the importance of biodiversity conservation and promote organic farming on a global scale. Let's all stand in solidarity to create a world where humanity can thrive peacefully with the nature. Thank you.
Very well said and very well articulated. I would request Varshini to complete your walk, please.
working in MNC in the cybersecurity department in Mumbai. But though I'm actually from Kolkata, the city of joy. Apart from academics, my heart and soul has always pushed me to explore the more creative side of my life. I'm a classically trained singer hence, a dance lover and a theatre enthusiast. One decision that I feel I took in my life and was the best decision of my life was pursuing sports. I have represented my region in basketball back in the days, and that was a journey to remember. In that journey, I understood and realized the importance of key values of life like determination, willpower, leadership qualities, and discipline. During that journey, I have also been a part of a lot of plantation drives that made me feel like I have become more close to our Mother Nature. Through this platform, I want to inspire people to be a part and join their hands in the protection of our natural resources. I aim to fostering a more sustainable future. Other than that, I also want to inspire all those little girls at their homes, thinking if they have what it takes to be a Miss India. If you believe in yourself and work hard for it. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I look forward to leave a remarkable contribution together. Thank you.
Beauty pageant been till now, and what are your goals or aspirations that you want to fulfill if you win the crown?
Thank you. You are also looking very beautiful. Being a single girl child in a society which prioritizes boy children, life was never an easy task for me since my childhood. But my parents and my inner strength never let me be the same. Kem Cho, I ho, Majama. I'm 22 years old, Nilanshi Patel, from the vibrant state of Gujarat. Its culture, heritage, and the entrepreneurship spirit made me the confidently beautiful person I am today. I have done my B.Tech in Chemical Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Gandhinagar. From my hard work and dedication, I have fulfilled one of my dreams of being an IIT. Raised in a middle-class family, I have seen many ups and downs in the family, which made me more stronger and passionate about achieving my goals in life. I believe, as a national table tennis player and a 3-time Guinness World Records holder, that beauty is not just about a physical appearance, but the purpose lies inside your heart. And that's why I have been part of more than 6 NGOs to create a positive impact into the world and the lives of other young women. Today, I stand here with a vision in my eye, purpose in my heart, grace in my home, and the most important, smile on my face. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for those lovely words, Dilanshi. And I would request you to please complete your work. You are? I'm sure you will make us feel the same. On that note, I would like you to introduce yourself, say a few words about yourself and your journey till now with Divine Beauty Pageant, and what are your goals if you win the crown?
Okay. Namaste India. I'm Jasmine Rana. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Punjab. I'm a computer science engineer, currently pursuing my master's in business administration. Growing up, besides being an NCC cadet, I would constantly busy myself with so many different things, from cultural programs to orating, dancing, poetry, and even rock climbing. And that made me one of the best cadet in numerous adventurous sports. I come from a very small town called Talwara, located in Punjab, and I know that there are still girls who held back, either in terms of education or pursuing their dreams. I want to be the epitome of inspiration for all those girls that if you have big dream, never stop dreaming about it and work so hard to make it happen. As I truly believe, it's not that some people have willpower and some don't. It's just that some are ready to change and others are not. As today, I'm standing in front of you, I aim to be that change. At the end, I would like to say, निगाहों में मंजिल थी, हम गिरे और गिरकर संभलते गए। हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की, मगर चिराग इन आंधियों में भी चलते रहे। Thank you so much.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much for that lovely shairi. Jasmine, I would request you to please complete your work.
That resonated with me so strongly. It is because of my journey. So I am Miss Rashmi Shinde. I am from a small town called Sri Rampur. I've completed my bachelor's in technology from BJTI and I'm currently working as a model and a school administrator. I'm a national level skater and a trained Kathak dancer. Coming from an area where education was only a privilege, I realized its importance at a very early age. Which is why, since the past 7 years, I have been running my own NGO to empower women in rural areas via education. I believe your destiny lies in the strength of your desires. And my desire to create a positive impact on the world by being the best version of myself is what brings me here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Specialized in human resource management, I am passionate about crafting employee engaging experiences for corporate well-being. My journey as a model has not only fostered my confidence but also honed my real-time soft skills, seamlessly merging two distinct professions altogether. As a civil engineer, I understand the importance to maintain the quality of land, and hence I aim to spread awareness to reduce the production of waste and to protect our Mother Earth. Fueled with curiosity, the explorer within me constantly seeks out for new opportunities. And now, carrying the backpack of my dreams, I embark on my pageant journey, poised to unleash my true potential. Thank you very much.
वक्त ही नहीं होता है लोगों के पास और आपने वक्त निकाल करके यहाँ हमारे साथ शामिल हुए हैं उसके लिए वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल एंड आई एम योर होस्ट मनु मिर्धा with here tonight. Thank you so much ladies and gentlemen. On that note, thank you so much for joining me on stage Deepak ji, Rajiv ji. चलिए फिर मेरे को भी दीपक सर we have to felicitate people who are important here for you, for Rajiv ji and for all of you.
Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating our association with Sunboard Media. Mr. Rajiv Portes now.
Kuldip Rai Sharma ji, who's a member of Parliament. Thank you so much for being here with us today. जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करिए कुलदीप राय शर्मा जी का, who is a member of the Parliament, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you sir, thank you so much.